Hi, welcome to the demonstration of ChordReplacer, the final project of the course of Advanced Coding Tools and Methodologies from Politecnico di Milano, realized by Antonino Natoli and Michele Pilia. This web application allows the user to create a sequence of chords in a completely custom way, apply harmonic substitution and play back the sequence of chords in two different modes. So let's start by adding some bars to our sequencer and by filling them with a classic turnaround. So the first chord will be a C major 7th, the second will be a A minor 7th, the third chord will be a D minor 7th, and obviously the fourth and the last chord will be a G7. So now we're ready to see some tools of the software. For example, we can see some suggested substitutions for the last chord. For instance, we're now applying a triton substitution, and if we set the loop mode on, we can choose a substitution as a function of the next chord, that in this case will be also the first one. And so we've just come back to the more classical G7 dominant with a B note at the base. The system also allows us to add some random chord as we're seeing right now. Then we can store this chord sequence as a preset on the Firebase DB platform. And we can see how to load it from zero. So now we're again with the chords we had before, and we are ready to start the sequencer and to hear some sound. Well, it's clearly a basic and maybe boring sound, so let's try to change some parameter. In the same way as we did before, we can store this synth preset on the database. Then we can switch to the other playback mode, that is the external MIDI one. So we select the internal virtual device to which we want to send our MIDI messages, and now we're ready to start again the sequencer, now with a VST playing. Now ChordReplacer is just sending MIDI messages to main stage, that is entirely handling all the sound aspects. Thanks for the attention, and if you want to try the ChordReplacer, you can find the link below the video in the comments. Bye!